What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year to all of you. First video for me of the new year and first giveaway for you guys of the new year. As you know, I've been a part of Lasfit LED's team for about 3 years since I started this truck build. They've given me so many light bulbs for the truck to convert the stock halogen lights to the nice bright LED lights. And I don't know, probably a year or so ago, they gave me 3 sets of license plate light bulbs to give out to you guys. And about 6 months ago, they gave me a set of these D5S headlight bulbs to replace the stock HID light bulb. These things have been great. Kind of want to come on here real quick and give a quick little review for them. Been running these bulbs for about 6 months. They are simple plug and play to the 16 to 18 Silverados. A super white and bright light. I can 100% guarantee that you see further with them and you have a wider band to see with them. I live in Western Pennsylvania. There are tons of roads without any kind of street lights whatsoever, and these have made a heck of a difference on, just being able to see, not hitting deer and other stuff, going around all these curves and up and down hills. These things have been great. Like I said, plug and play, and the nice thing is they come with the cooling fans, and so that way it just keeps the lights nice and cool when a truck is running and the headlights are on, and then when the headlights shut off, the dust caps actually close so you don't get any kind of weird particles inside the headlights. Like I said, a nice plug and play system, and this is them right here. This is like the dust cover cap shield, and there is a fan in there. You could hear it running when the truck's not running, but you literally unplug your stock light and plug this one in. It's really easy and simple. There's a lot of room here, and then for the passenger side, you do have to pull off your stock air box just to get to it back down there. Same thing, plug and play. I think it's behind this little shield if I can remember correctly. There it is. But a super easy install. They look great, they perform great. I've had them for about 6 months now. They are about $180 though, but I've had a lot of you guys ask me about these guys, and so I figured I'd come on here and do so and tell you kind of how I like them, and I do like them a lot. I'll show you a bunch of befores and afters right now. And as you can tell, big upgrade for these trucks. So now I want to do a giveaway with a set of these for you guys. So it's a $180 value for free for one of you. The stipulations are pretty simple. You do have to have a 2016 to a 2018 Chevy Silverado. These do not fit the GMCs, unfortunately. And these are the replacements for like the lower trim model trucks like myself. So these will fit a work truck, these will fit an LT, I guess an LS if LSs are still around, but they will not fit like LTZs in high countries that already come with an LED light bulb. It's going to fit all these trucks with the factory HID bulb, so please keep that in mind. Now, entering this giveaway is pretty simple. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel right here, John Wargo YouTube channel, subscribe to Lasfit LED's channel, and then follow both of our pages on Instagram, and then shoot me a DM letting me know that you did all 4 steps, and then I will get you entered into the giveaway. Now, we're going to run this thing for about 3 weeks time. I upload on Wednesdays. Next Wednesday would be way too quick of a giveaway. The Wednesday after is actual inauguration day for the President of the United States, so no one's gonna watch one of my videos on that day. So we're gonna do this January 27th. So get your entry by the 27th, and we will get you entered to win a set of these LED bulbs. And we're gonna do a giveaway on that day, the 27th, and I'm also gonna do like a Q&A. I haven't done one of those in a long time, so any question that you ask me during this video in the comments, I'm not gonna answer directly below. I'm going to answer in that giveaway on the 27th. And then if you wanna watch the video when I did install these bulbs in my first original outtakes and review, I will link that in the description below and up top here. So hope I covered everything. It's raining, as you can probably tell. I'm getting wet, so I probably forgot tons of stuff. But these headlights are awesome. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Get entered to win. Just subscribe to this channel, subscribe to the Lasfit channel, and like us both on Instagram. And then just shoot me a DM. Let me know you did all 4 steps, and you will be entered to win. This will be a random drawing on the 27th, January 27th. So get your entries, like the video if you haven't already. I'm gonna go inside, it's freezing. Like the video if you haven't already, subscribe, join the family, join the bill, and I'll see y'all guys next week. Peace.